Good morning, students. Myself, JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss what do you understand by totality of symptoms. The concept totality of symptoms is peculiar to homeopathy. Homeopathy teaches us to treat the individual with a disease and not his disease parts alone. Thus, all the signs and symptoms presented by the patient from the former healthy state to the now diseased condition are to be considered before we select the remedy. Dr. J. N. Kanjilal says that totality of symptom does not mean a haphazard conglomeration of all the symptoms of a patient or a drug. It really means a combination of certain groups of symptoms in definite settings with a definite background and certain individualizing characteristics set appropriately on the symptom complex so that it can point to the drug having similar peculiar symptom complex. For drawing a picture of the whole totality of symptoms, one need not pay importance to all symptoms of the patient or drug, but only to those ones with their characteristic peculiarities which in their proper setting help to distinguish the case from all others. Dr. Hahnemann defines totality as the symptoms are the outwardly reflected picture of the internal essence of the disease, that is the affection of the vital force. Dr. Bonninghausen defines it is not only the sum total of symptoms but is in itself one grand symptom of the patient. Richard Hughes says totality of symptoms to the therapist, the disease. Boric says the more the totality of symptoms, the better will be the prescription. Stuart Close says the totality means all the symptoms of the case which are capable of being logically combined into a harmonious and consistent whole having coherency and individuality. H. A. Roberts says totality is that concrete form which stands forth as an individuality recognizable by anyone who is familiar with the symptomatic forms and lineaments of drugs and diseases. Totality is not sum total of symptom, but it is logical combination of the symptom which characterize the person as well as individualize the problem. Thus, all the symptoms which are classified and evaluated do not form a working totality of the case. Totality of symptom would vary under various circumstances. It would mean one thing in acute case and another in a chronic case. Acute totality includes the recent symptoms. A patient is suffering from chronic disease. If he develops an acute disease, he needs an acute remedy fitting to the acute condition. A patient in chronic disease requires to interrogate about his mental states, physical journals, past history, family history, etc. But it would not be needed in acute case. So totality of symptoms in acute condition is entirely different from chronic one. Totality of symptoms is equal to the new phrase coined by Dr. Castro, essential total of the symptoms. After deleting the common symptom of a case, the symptoms left over is essential total of symptoms. Case receiving, case perceiving, evolution of symptoms are prerequisite conditions for electing the totality of symptoms. What's the importance? क्यों बनाते हम लोग totality? Totality helps in building of portrait of disease, helps in repertorization of the case, helps in selection of simillimum, and last one helps in better grasp of drug picture. So totality of symptoms is not just the whole collection of symptoms of the patient, it is the proper arrangement and differentiation of common and uncommon characteristic symptoms of the case in perfect order. Totality can be ascertained from the patient, his relatives and attendants, physician himself, and fourth one is laboratory investigations. Totality must express an idea, first diagnostic idea. When studying a case from diagnostic standpoint, for example, certain symptoms are selected as having a known pathological relation to each other, and upon these is based the diagnosis. Second one, therapeutic idea. Totality of symptoms considered as the basis of a homeopathic prescription represents therapeutic idea. Totality means the sum of the aggregate of the symptom. It is the numerical aggregate plus the idea or plan which unites them in a spatial manner to give them its characteristic form. True totality is a work of art formed by the mind of the artist from the crude materials at his command, which are derived from a proving or from a clinical examination of the patient. Points that obscure totality. First, error arising by placing much emphasis upon a single symptoms. Error arising in attempting to fit a remedy to a mass of indefinite, unrelated, or fragmentary symptom by mechanical comparison of symptoms, that is superficial symptom cover. Pathological prescribers empirically base their treatment upon a theoretical pathological diagnosis and end in prescribing sedatives, stimulants, combination tablets, and other crude mixtures. From the above, we can say that understanding the concept totality of symptoms forms the basis of a successful homeopathic prescription. All the peculiarities of the patient are to be collected and arranged in such a way that a logical comprehension of the case become feasible. The drug also has to be selected considering all the parameters used to form the totality. So we find nothing to grumble but the meaning, notations, and scope of the totality of symptoms as described by Hahnemann in his aphorisms in his Organon of Medicine. Thank you.